It's time for the spring warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in Chipley, Florida. And the biggest sale on name brands on the Gulf Coast. WestPoint Home offers sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, and household accessories at factory outlet prices every day, all year round. But WestPoint Home is celebrating their spring warehouse sale, and the prices have to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values for 4 days only, Friday, March 2nd through Monday, March 5th. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws at 50% off to plush comforters at 25% off. Select bath towels only $3 and memory foam pillows only $14.99. Flannel sheets, shower curtains, comforters, all at reduced prices. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a makeover without breaking the bank. It's the Spring WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Warehouse Sale, Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Friday, March 2nd through Monday, March 5th, and let the savings begin.